In this question it is saying that there is a large disk having radius that is given r, 2r, and now in the question it is saying that in this disk there is a hole is made by taking a radius of r, and edges of hole is touching to edge of large disk. And now in the question finally it is asking that after giving data it is asking that we have to find center of mass of residual disk, means we have to find the center of mass of hole which is made by after cutting the disk by radius r. So now let's start answering this question. So in the answer first I will explain the data that is given by making the diagram. So here first I will making a 2D coordinate system. So this is the y axis and this is the x axis, and now consider that this is a origin and as a center of large disk, so radius is given that is 2r. So here I can say that here I am making this large disk that is having radius that is 2r, and now next step is according to question. Here I have to make a hole by making a disk of radius r, small disk. So you can see that this is total 2r. So and edges also we have to touch both of them, so I can say that this is a smaller disk, or I can say that hole which is made after cutting the after removing this part. So and center is lying on x axis and radius will be that is I can say that r. So now I had explained the given data. So now my next step is my next target is to find the center of mass of this system of hole. So before finding this, first try to find the coordinates and mass of large disk and this hole. So for large disk the center is lying on origin, so I can say that coordinate will be written as that is 0, 0, and mass will be written as that is m1 is equal to, I consider that the thickness is of disk is that is t, and density is considered that is rho. So mass will be written as for large disk that is equal to 4 pi r square times of thickness times of density. So now look on the hole, so I can say that the center of this hole will be written as that is r comma 0, and mass will be that is m2 will be equal to pi r square times of t times of rho. So now next step is here we have to find the center of mass of residual disk. So the formula will be written as that is formula for x coordinate will be that is m1 x1 minus m2 x2 divided by m1 minus plus m2. Similarly the formula for y coordinate will be m1 y1 minus m2 y2 divided by m1 plus m2. So now substitute the data, so it will be written as that is x coordinate of center of mass of residual disk will be that is m1 x1, that means 4 pi r square t rho times of x1 will be that is 0, then minus m2 x2, that means pi r square times of t rho times of r divided by m1 plus m2, that means 4 pi r square t rho plus pi r square t rho. And now similarly the y coordinate will be written as that is 4 pi r square times of t times of rho times of 0 minus pi r square times of t times of rho times of 0 divided by 4 pi r square times of t times of rho plus pi r square times of t times of rho. Now simplify it, then I will get the coordinate of center of mass of residual disk. So it will be written as, that is, x coordinate will be, that is, after solving I will get, that is, minus sorry minus r over 3, and y coordinate will be written as, after solving I will get, that is 0. So that means it is saying that the center of mass of the system lies at distance r over 3 from the center of bigger disk away from center of hole. So this is the answer of given question. Hence I had solved the question completely. Thank you.